Ukah Farms Poultry, 22 days. That's 3 weeks, 1 day. You can hear the snorting sound. That means they have a respiratory problem. After this bout of vitamins, I'll go and get them drugs against respiratory diseases. So basically, poultry is about antibiotics. We are pleased with the sizes and the growth. As you can see, we have increased the feeding points so that more will get access to food, and we have increased the water points too, as in we got new water troughs that are bigger than the previous ones, so more birds can drink at the same time. we use a rice bran, so you can see they're also pecking on the floor. That's why it has to be cleaned regularly so that they don't peck on their feces. That's the way we do it. Ukah Farms, Nigeria.